In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Clio Calendar with Upfirst. By linking these, your AI receptionist will be able to view your availability and schedule appointments directly in your Clio Calendar. To begin, head over to the Integration section located on the left-hand side of your screen. Find the Clio integration and click on Enable. You'll then be prompted to sign into your Clio account and grant access. Once that's done, your Clio Calendar will be connected to Upfirst. Now, let's set up your appointment slots. You can do this by clicking on Configure Appointments here, or by navigating to the Agent section on the left and selecting Scheduling. Afterward, you'll want to add a new appointment type. Go ahead and click on Add Appointment Type. Give your appointment a suitable name, like a 30-minute appointment. In the Calendar field, select the appropriate calendar linked to your Clio account. This is where your receptionist will schedule the appointments. Be sure to set the duration for the appointment. If needed, you can also choose buffer times for before and after the appointments. Next, set up your available times. You even have the option to block out specific parts of your day if you're busy or have a lunch break. Enter the event details. You might include something like, "We'll call you at the number you provided," or "Meet at my office. Here are the directions." In the additional instructions, tell your receptionist on when to offer this type of appointment. For instance, you might say, "Only offer this appointment if the caller wants to book a 30-minute appointment." Double-check to ensure all the details are correct, and when you're ready, click Create Appointment Type to save it. Your AI receptionist is now set to schedule appointments directly into your Clio Calendar. Feel free to add as many appointment types as you need. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.